Hey, 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 hey. Let me try that again. So listen, I haven't vlogged all evening. I got obviously safety here in Lisbon, got to the hotel, rested a little. I'm heading right now to an excursion that I had booked on Airbnb Experiences. It's called the historical boat tour on a wooden yacht. They provide wine and some cheese. I'm hungry. Let's see what this they offer there. It's at 7 o'clock. It's 6:21 now. I wanted to take the train, but because I'm so late, I'm gonna have to call an Uber. So let's go. I can't tell you how hungry I am, and I'm about to go on this boat cruise. But I think that's we usually see. Let me go back. There's that bridge that we see in many of the pictures of Lisbon. But yeah, my mission here is to try to find the boat, and I don't know where it is. By the way, the first impressions of the city is that it is a very quiet city. Very quiet city. But let's find a boat because I need to do that. So we'll talk a little bit more later. So apparently I was going the wrong direction. I was going that direction, but I have to walk to the bridge, which I have to turn this way because the sun is setting in my back, and the guy I just called is that way. So let's go. I am here now, and the wine the sparkling wine has come. Oh, there's a little obrigado. Nice view. The water. This is going to be a 2-hour boat ride. And so you'll see different, I guess, scenery as we go along. So follow me. By the way, so we're kind of midway through the cruise on the boat tour tonight, but you're probably, well, you're seeing it, it's right there. It's so tonight is the super blue moon, and the next one is in 2037. So what you're seeing is not as magical as I'm seeing it right now. It's like really breathtaking. Like it's really large. So wow, hopefully you have an opportunity to see it. Whenever you see this video, you have seen the super blue moon as I'm seeing it right now here in Lisbon, Portugal. Look at it right there, right there, right there. Yeah, right there, right there. Touch it. Hold it. Oh, yeah, it's in my hand now. Cruise is done. It was all right. If I'm gonna, I just think it was too quiet for me. Really and truly, it was too quiet for me. And plus, you know, this is the first night, so maybe in that sense I won't complain, because maybe I didn't need all of the excitement because I probably need to go relax and unwind a little. So right now I'm gonna go to the timeout market to try to get something to eat, but literally, right, it is chilly. Look how I'm dressed. It's chilly. It's probably like, what's the temperature? 68 degrees. Yeah, I need to get back to a hotel. Timeout Market. It was actually a recommendation I had from the boat tour. So right now I'm at the Timeout Market and I ordered, well, I showed you what I ordered. It's packed in here and they're playing music. So let's see if it's going to be a good vibe. Timeout Market, Lisbon. This is a recommendation of a place you should try to visit. See ya.